Stripped down to the bare metal skin to find exactly what went wrong with them. Cases split open, gears in a row, under the light of the shed's dim glow. Measuring the bolt that fell in the pan, a tiny little hitch in the master plan. 5 millimeters wide, 35 long, the piece of the puzzle where it doesn't belong.
So I got these from Hitchcock's, a couple of push rods, inlet 17, just over 17 pound, exhaust just over 17 pound, the pin assembly was 3.8, $3.20, I got 2 of those, and a spring in here, same thing, I got 2, they're only £1.50 each. There's the oil seal rings, so I'll leave those in here. And the spring from the carberry plate is pushing this off, so I don't even need a puller. Make sure I don't lose those.